Alright, good morning guys. Today we are going to wet sand my headlights because they're a little, like I clear coated them after I did the whole headlight build and everything. Need to wet sand them. One has a little bit of orange feel, the other one's pretty good actually, but I want to wet sand both of them, make sure they're all super clear. And then also I'm going to see if I can go to Home Depot and buy some of the mesh for like the front bumper, because the one on the top grill where the Mitsubishi emblem goes is like cut out like a little square and looks pretty stupid. So if I can do that, see if I can find it at Home Depot, go from there, and then we'll go to the shop. All right, just stop by AutoZone real quick. Picked up some sandpaper, some wax for the headlights after the wet sanding, and then some windshield wiper fluid and some vent wraps. I have a cramp. And then some vent wrap things for the thing because this car smells kind of weird sometimes. I'm gonna go to Home Depot real quick, see if they have the mesh piece. And if they don't, then I'm probably just gonna take them all out, honestly. This thing does not get old, man. Oh shit, the windshield wiper fluid. Alright, just pulled up to Home Depot. Over there somewhere. I'm gonna go get the mesh if they have it, hopefully. If not, then we're screwed. Alright, just got back from Home Depot. Ended up finding the stuff I need, I think. Honestly, don't even know if it's not the same stuff. Okay, but it looks better than what we have, I guess. It was only $10 though, so whatever. Damn, I'm kind of pissed. I probably should have looked at the grill before I bought it. So like this is what we have, which isn't bad. The stuff I bought's like pretty much the same stuff, but it's not as like the diamond pieces aren't as like symmetrical. They're more like parallelograms, I'd say. But this is why I want to get rid of it, because this looks absolutely hideous. I don't even know what the hell that is up there. But this piece right here is just like, why? Probably gonna take this one off because so you can see the intercooler a little bit better. So what I'll probably be doing is putting new ones on this part, that part, and the other fog light, and then leaving this open. Definitely need to wet sand the headlights though. I mean, if you can see right here, this one's pretty clear, honestly. This one came out really good. I was like shit all over it, but whatever. This one though, you could just see like the orange peel and the cloudiness. Like it's not clear at all. So this one I need to wet sand, get that one all good. This one I'll probably just wet sand again just cause why not. Got the tints done, looks good. Definitely better. Picked up some windshield wiper fluid too. I'm running low on that. And we got the, oh shit, sandpaper. Oh damn, this is far. Okay. Alright. Vent wraps, some wax to protect the headlights. This is the stuff I bought, so you see how it's like a little more, I don't know if you can see that. See, it's like not fully diamonds, they're like kind of like tilted. I don't even know how I fit this in here, honestly. That was rough. But get this out. Wow, that came out a lot easier than it was putting it in. Okay, put this over here. All right. Actually be coming later, so I'm pretty sure Tom's coming too to work on the Miata. Jack's scrapping the bags. He's putting he got some coilovers from someone local in our town that has a sick Miata. He's like a Miata god, so he's gonna scrap the air ride coils and just be static. So soon enough, he should be here. He said around like 6, which is fine. I mean, my last appointment though is at 7 p.m. for the day. So once that's all done, it should just be, he's probably gonna take over the camera after I finish doing my headlights and stuff like that, but we'll probably all just do it one day. I don't know, we'll see. Damn, this car's sick. Taking off the front bumper, what's in the headlights? 2,500. I'll just fucking film it. Alright, bumpers off. I'm gonna take out these grills, cut those new ones out, and then paint them, and then we're gonna do the headlights after. Alright, we took out most of the mesh. The only problem is this top piece is like welded on to like this bracket up here. So probably gonna have to, I don't even know how to do that. I don't know, maybe I'll probably cut this off, all the tabs, and then put screws into like the metal bracket which doesn't go to the front of the bumper. Gonna paint this black real quick. That should be enough. For wet sand, we're gonna tape this off, just the edges of the paint to protect it. And that's all taped up. We'll go to wet sand. You don't have to go through the whole effort of taking off your front bumper to do this. It's just that, just so happens I'm changing the mesh out. So once this is all taped up, all your edges, that's all taped up, you should be good. We're gonna clean this off and then I'll show you everything you need. Alright, so what you're gonna need is start off with 1,000. Get most of the orange peel and everything out. Especially, this also works too if you have like cloudy headlights. 1,000, end it with 2,000. Once it's all scuffed up and good, you can hit it with compound and then wax to seal it up. And that's it. You're gonna soak this with water. Alright, so this is after 1,000 grit, just a light sanding. So when you're restoring a headlight, what you want to look for is, see spots like this? This focuses where it's unlevel. You basically want it to look 100% like this, where it's full cloudy. So we're going to keep sanding until we get it down to one equal, just sanded surface. So where it's clear like that means it's a low spot and the rest is high. So you want to keep sanding in that area, you know, make it all smooth. You want it to look like this section right here where there's pretty much nothing. Alright, it's all sanded up. Good, now I'm gonna hit it with some 2,500. Yeah, dude. 100% dude, all the way. What was, hey, how are you? What was it? The one we always used to say? When we saw each other, it's like, oh, it's good. Like,
yeah.
It's like, what's up?
Yeah, forget. I almost said that, forget. Mahalo.
Mahalo?
Mahalo, dude.
Whatever happened to that necklace? Did it break?
It's hanging up.
For the purposes of DIY, by hand. Alright, just finished. Still gotta buff it off, but just the difference from being all hazy and stuff. Alright, this one's all done. A lot better. A little before and after.
Yeah, just direct it out there.
Yeah, it's a lot better in person to see the difference. You see how crystal clear that is? See how it's super hazy? Oh look, that's a good reference. Samurai guy? Samurai guy. Alright, now we gotta wax it. And that side's done. These little McGuire's. Wait for this wax to haze up, then I'm gonna start on this one, go back to that one, and then we're good. Alright, this side's a lot worse. As you can see all the orange peel once it focuses. So that was all orange peels with the low spots. So you gotta keep sanding those down until it's all smooth like the other side. This side was a lot worse, that's why I'm gonna get this one second. Kind of show you, like it's like really bad. But once it's all smooth, it should look crystal clear like the other side. Finished that. Took out this this mesh thing. I had to cut them off because it's like welded on here. Gonna remake it with my man, Los Customs. That's it. That's it. And stripes on this thing, but like you don't need to know about that. Mikey Mike! See some red pinstripes on this car? Looks heat. You like it, Mike? He fucking loves it. Finished up the mesh, looks real good. Did the black in there. Left the intercooler open. Definitely a lot better. Polished out the headlights.